So I recently had the opportunity to have a bit of a hands-on, or really a bit of an eyes-on, I guess, with LG's new 8K TV range. Now, this wasn't a full-on formal test, so I couldn't bring my own content. I couldn't particularly see how well it handled upscaling. It just gave me an appreciation for what these particular panels can do. Now, the good side of all of this is that 8K with the right content can be really quite spectacular. The level of detail really is punchy. It's quite in your face, and you can get up quite close to it if you happen to live in a small space. You'll need a big space for it, though. LG's really only doing these in 75 inches, as you can see here, or above. There are some downsides, though. The big downside is that right now there's just not a lot of 8K content. I mean, they're talking about the Olympics next year in 8K, but I doubt that's going to be broadcast here in 8K. And as such, you're paying an awful lot of money right now for just upscaling, not for punching content towards this that will do 8K full justice. We may see that with the next generation of video game consoles as well. Then there's the issue of the price, and this is where it gets particularly crunchy, because what you're looking at here, as beautiful as it is, as great as the promise of 8K is, will see you back in Australia some $11,849. That's some serious money there to drop on a TV. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe.